Good day everyone! So you may know sports volleyball. It's a pretty popular sport in some of sport, but do you know how it all got started? So let's start. What is volleyball? Volleyball game is a team sport in which played by two teams, usually of 6 players use their hands to bat a ball back and forth a high net trying to make the ball touch the court within the opponent's playing area before it can be returned. History of volleyball. Volleyball created by William G. Morgan. Morgan called the sport mintonette until a professor from Springfield College in Massachusetts noted the volleying nature of play and proposed the name of volleyball. Volleyball was invented in Massachusetts in 1989. Volleyball had humble beginnings created by teacher to be a unique and challenging game for his students. Now it is an Olympic sport played and watched by millions of people, inspiring fitness, skills, and teamwork. It remained solely an American sport for a few years, until it began crossing the oceans to become one of the most exciting and popular sports played by worldwide. Two types of volleyball: team volleyball and beach volleyball. Team volleyball, it is played indoors on a hard court with 6 people per team. Beach volleyball, it is played outdoors on the sound with 2 players per team. Timeline of significant volleyball events. In 1900, a special ball was designed for the sport. In 1916, in the Philippines, an offensive style of passing the ball in a high trajectory to be struck by another player, the set and spike, were introduced. In 1917, the game was changed from 21 to 15 points. In 1920, 3 hits per side and back row attack rules were instituted. In 1922, the first Young Men's Christian Association National Championships were held in Brooklyn, New York. 27 teams from 11 states were represented. In 1928, it became clear that tournaments and rules were needed. The United States Volleyball Association, now USA Volleyball, was formed. The first U.S. Open was staged as the field was open to YMCA squads. In 1930, the first two-man beach game was played. In 1934, the approval and recognition of national volleyball referees. In 1937, at the AAU convention in Boston, action was taken to recognize the U.S. Volleyball Association as the official national governing body in the U.S. In 1947, the Federation International de Volleyball (FIVB) was founded. In 1948, the first two-man beach tournament was held. In 1949, the initial World Championships were held in Prague, Czechoslovakia. In 1964, volleyball was introduced to the Olympic Games in Tokyo. In 1965, the California Beach Volleyball Association was formed. In 1974, the World Championships in Mexico were telecast in Japan. In 1975, the U.S. national women's team began a year-round training regime in Pasadena, Texas, moved to Colorado Spring in 1979, Codo de Caza and Fountain Valley in 1980, and San Diego in 1985. In 1977, the U.S. national men's team began a year-round training regime in Dayton, Ohio, moved to San Diego in 1981. In 1983, the Association of Volleyball Professionals was formed. In 1984, the U.S. won their first medal at the Olympics in Los Angeles. The men won the gold and the women the silver. In 1986, the Women's Professional Volleyball Association was formed. In 1988, the U.S. men repeated the gold in the Olympics in Korea. In 1990, the World League was created. In 1995, the sport of volleyball was 100 years old. In 1996, two-person beach volleyball will be an Olympic sport. Rules and regulation. Number 1. Only 6 players on the floor at any given time. 3 in the front row and 3 in the back row. Number 2. There is a maximum of 3 hits per side. Points are made on every serve for the winning team of rally or rally point scoring. Players may not hit the ball twice in successions. A block is not considered a hit. Ball may be played off the net during a volley and on a serve. A ball hitting a boundary line is in. A ball is out of it hits an antenna. The floor completely outside the court, any of the net or cables outside the antenna, the referee stand or pole, or the ceiling above a non-playable area. It is legal to contact the ball with any part of player's body. It is illegal to catch, hold, or throw the ball. A player cannot block or attack a serve from on or inside the 10-foot line. After the serve, frontline players may switch position at the net. Matches are made up of sets. The number depends on level of play. 3-set matches are 2 sets 25 points and a third set to 15. Each set must be won by 2 points. The winner is the first team to win 2 sets. 5-set match are 4 sets to 25 points and the 5th set to 15. The team must win by 2 points unless tournament rules dictate otherwise. The first team to win 3 sets is the winner. Court dimension and equipment. Volleyball net. Volleyball nets are the primary obstacle and separating element between the two teams in a game of volleyball, splitting the court down in the middle. The height of the net dictates how teams will strategize their ball placement and set up offensive and defense formation to successfully send the ball across the divider. Volleyball nets are typically made with black nylon netting with white headbands. Volleyball nets span the entire width of the court, 29 by 6 or 9 meter, and are held rigid by outer poles typically set 3 or 0.91 meter from the court. The center height of the volleyball net differs for men's and women's play, with men's net regulated at a height of 7 by 11.69 or 2.43 meter and women's at 7 by 4.35 or 2.24 meter. The dimensions of the playing court are often identified on the net surface by 2 antennae extending 32 or 80 cm above the net. Volleyball nets have a surface height of 39 or 1 meter from top to bottom and are constructed with a polypropylene or nylon netting with a mesh size of 3.9 or 10 cm and are capped with stiff headbands along the perimeters. Volleyball court dimension. Volleyball court dimensions. The volleyball court is 60 feet by 30 feet in total. The net in place in the center of the court, making each side of the net 30 feet by 30 feet. Center line. A center line is marked at the center of the court dividing in equally into 30 feet squares above which the net is placed. Attack line is marked 10 feet of each side of the center line. A service line, the area from which the server may serve the volleyball, is marked 10 feet inside the right sideline on each back line. The net is placed directly above the center line, 7 feet 4 inches above the ground for women and 8 feet above the ground for men. Poles. Volleyball poles should be set at 36 feet apart, 3 feet farther out from the sidelines. Ceiling height. The minimum ceiling height should be 23 feet, though they should preferably be higher. Ball for volleyball. Volleyball is the official ball used to play indoor volleyball, beach volleyball, and other variations of the volleyball sports. A volleyball has a sphere form and has 18 rectangular panels that are made of synthetic or genuine leather. The panels are arranged in 6 identical sections of 3 panels each. The volleyball has a valve that allows its internal air pressure to be adjusted. Is available in a youth or adult version size. An indoor volleyball is a solid white or a bright yellow color. A beach volleyball is a slightly larger than a standard indoor volleyball, had a rougher exterior surface and a lower internal pressure. A volleyball have diameter of 8.16 to 8.39 or 20.7 to 21.3 cm and circumference of 22.59, 26.34 or 65 to 67 cm. The mass of volleyball is between the 10 to 10 O's to 260 to 280 grams with a pressure between 4.26 to 4.61 psi, 29.4, 31.8 or 2 kPa. Officiating volleyball. Volleyball is generally officiated by 2 referees and 2 lines judge. The first referee in volleyball is positioned on an elevated platform at the side of the net opposite the official's table. The first referee does not move around, but they need to stand for long periods, typically 45 minutes to 2 hours depending on the match length, all while maintaining high levels of focus and alertness. The second referee stands on the floor opposite the first referee and assists in making calls, primarily focusing on play at the net. The second referee moves laterally along the sideline opposite the first referee in a 12-foot area and transitions during play with the ball. The line judge stands on opposite corners throughout the entire match and assist the first referee with in and out calls and look for touches of the volleyball by blockers at the net. Line judge need excellent eyesight, good judgment, and agility to move up and down the sideline to get the best view of the ball and avoid collisions with players. A coach's guide to refereeing, officiating, volleyball guidelines to success. Referee tips for better officiating. Spotlight is on the teams, not the officiating. Allow the games to progress as smoothly as possible. Your primary job is to have the match go as smoothly as possible with little interference from officials. Strive for consistency. Never even up when you have made a mistake. If you made a mistake, let it go and continue to do the best you can. Don't let complaints bother you or break your concentration. Some of the best matches will bring you the most complaints. Be friendly and courteous, but also firm. Don't let players, coaches, and the crowd influence your decisions. Listen to any reasonable inquiry, but don't allow constant questioning about your calls. Review rules and situations which tend to cause controversy. Read the rule book. As a clinician or anyone that you feel can give you the needed answer. Rules that commonly cause problems are time out for injury, simultaneous contact by opponents, illegal improper requests for subs, libero player situations, and backcourt attacker or blocker rules. The officiating crew should be officiating volleyball as a team. Work together with your other officials. Cooperate as closely as possible. Give each other active support. Be serious but have fun. You owe it to respect the game. Every match is important to the teams playing. Get in the right frame of mind and focus on the match you are about to officiate. Know the rules. Read the book and use it as a reference. The referee is the final judge on everything, even scorekeeping issues. Referees should not be a part of the match. Your job as a referee is to watch and judge. Do not coach. Be consistent. Use preventive officiating whenever possible. Examples are jewelry, water on the court, or etc. Have consistent judgment. What is a catch or throw or double hit? It all depends on the level of play of the teams. Allow play on both sides of the net and call what is different. The game. Playing the game. Volleyball rules. Rules in volleyball limit player. Playing actions such as 3 hits to a side. Only the front row players can attack the ball when the ball is entirely above the top of the net. The player positioned in right back must execute the serve, or etc. A player on a volleyball team can be designated as libero. The libero playing actions are much different from others volleyball player actions. For example, the libero can come in the game and take the place of any back row player on the court, but can't ever play across the front row. Volleyball scoring system. A point is scored when the ball is successfully grounded in the opponent's court. The opposing team commits a fault. The opposing team receives a penalty. A set or game is won when a team scores 25 points with a minimum 2-point lead. In the case of 24 to 24 or tie, play continues until a 2-point lead is taken. A match is won when a team wins 2 out of 3 sets. A playoff game is considered a match and only 1 set shall be played. So that's all. Thank you for watching.